Hi all, I hope you have wonderful spring.
One of the symbols of spring in Canada is the Canada Goose, and they are back. You even have no idea how strong I was waiting for them.
Usually when they back, they already have couple. But not all of them are lucky, and sometimes you can see how they are fighting. Male goose with male goose. They need to make family. Male goose protect his female. They are always together. When you come closer to them, male starts make those snake sounds, and sometimes they can attack you. In those days when they are really aggressive, need to be careful with them because their female is pregnant. He just wants to protect her and his kids. While she is eating, he is watching on you and he is trying to understand if you are dangerous. I didn't have any accidents with them. I often come to them close. I like to watch them in nature, especially when they are swimming, like in this video. Let's to watch together and enjoy nature. Be kind to animals and birds They need this.